This is a 4S fire engine kiddie ride by Falgas. This better work or else I'll be gutted. This is brand new to Four Seasons in Mansfield. This replaced the Jolly Roger White Spidero. Peppa Pig is broken. Made from Falgas in an unknown year, under no licence. This replaced Spidero, and this replaced the Noddy Carousel, and Peppa replaced Bing. It's owned by Clearhill. And that was the 4S fire engine kiddie ride by Falgas, sited at Four Seasons Shopping Centre in Mansfield. Replaced the Jolly Roger White Spidero, and the Sky Rescue helicopter annoyingly replaced the Noddy Carousel.